In this file, I have data split across multiple sheets, one for each year from 2012 to 2024. Each sheet represents data collected for that specific year, and they all have the same structure, like financial year, quarter, first name, offense description, offense group, offense subgroup, and so on. Our main goal is to merge all these sheets into one clean table for analysis using Power Query. Now let me show you how that is done. If you are using Excel 2013, you can install Power Query to your Excel, and if you already have it installed, thank God for that. And if you're using Excel 2016 and so on, you can just go to your data tab. Like if you click on your data tab, you can see how to extract, how to import a file from Excel into Power Query. But for people using Excel 2013, just click on your Power Query tab and click on from file, then from Excel. Wherever you've stored your data set, like wherever you stored your file, just click on it and click on OK. This will take you to, it will open a navigator where you will have to select all the sheets you want to merge. Always make, since there are multiple sheets, always make sure to click on select multiple items first, then click on those sheets you want to merge, those multiple sheets you want to merge, click on it, then click on transform data, which is edit right here. You clicking on transform data, it will open Power Query editor where we'll have to merge those sheets together. Okay, now so it has opened Power Query editor. If you look at your left side, you will see the queries there, like the years we imported, 2013 to 2014 and so on. So just if you look up on your home tab, append queries, and you will have to append queries as new. Click on append queries as new. Using append queries, click on 3 or more tables because we have more than 3 tables there. We already have table 2 there, which is the 2012. We already have it on this part. It's just for you to select the remaining sheets and add it to this place. Click on table 3 and the rest. You can click on your shift key down, then add it, then click on OK. The moment that is done, you will see append 1, which means we've merged every single thing together, every of those sheets together from 2012 to 2024. So now it is showing 2012 to 2024. Then you can now close and load it. While you close and load it, your Excel will be running in the background. It is trying to arrange your sheets together. Now it has successfully merged all our sheets into one clean data set. If you click on your filter arrow, you will see every single year, 2012, 2013, 2014 to 2024. So this is how you can merge multiple sheets together.